Okay, in this video, we're talking about CSS transparent image. Okay, to start with that, let's create our HTML structure first. Okay, inside this our body, we will now input our image elements img. Then we'll now add the image dot slash. Then we select where we keep the image located in our image folder. Then I want to make use of um, laptop.jpg. Okay, let me refresh the output, which is the browser. You can see the laptop. Okay, now inside our CSS, we use element selector, or should I give this name class now, so it will be a little bit easy for me to make use. If I still use image, it's still the same thing. Let me use class. Let me just use class. Even if I not use image, even if I not use equal, it will still work. But let me just want to use class. Let me give it let me say class name. No need of doing this, no need of wasting time and prolonging video. Let's make use of image element selector. So in this our CSS type. Before we proceed, let's first of all link our external CSS first. To do that, type in link, then inside href, select your where your CSS file is located in your projects folder. So mine is located inside the CSS folder. Then inside CSS folder comes my CSS file. Okay, then it's now linked, so I can now do what I want to do here. I will now use img elements. Okay, this is an I'm making use of element selector, so I'll be making use of image elements. So open our declaration block. Okay, so inside our declaration block, I'll be using a property called opacity. So to do transparent in CSS, to make an image transparent, you use opacity property, then add the values to it and add your values. Okay, so to do that, let's say opacity inside the opacity value area. We'll now let us start from 1. Let's see what happened. So nothing happened. One seems like the image normal image, so I don't think it's have effect. Let's make it 0. It disappeared the image. Okay, then let's add 0.1. You can see the image is now a bit transparent in the background. Let's make it 0.2. You can see it's coming up. How about 0.3? It's brightening up. How about 0.4? You can see that. So that about 0.5. How about 0.6? You can see that is the opacity, or the opacity is used for the transparency. Then how about 0.7? You can see that. So if you do 0.1, it's very hard to see. It's very hard to see. It's very much transparent. Okay, let's leave it at 0.3. Well, I mean 3.3. You can see that. So this is how to do um CSS transparent. This is how to do image transparency, to make your image transparent in CSS. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.